Hello everyone, you are watching Physio Classroom channel, and in this video we are going to share with you all yet another information about how to treat patients who come to physiotherapy OPD with sudden onset thoracic pain and stiffness and difficulty with deep breathing function. So such patients are again typically absolutely fine. There is no previous history of any upper back pain, and when they come to the OPD, they complain that they might have slept in some position, and when they got up, they started feeling severe piercing like pain at one area, and they were feeling like some of the motions around the thoracic spine and especially breathing deeply was causing their pain to increase. Now, how to treat and assess such patients and provide them relief right from the first session. So what we are going to do is, first we are going to make the patient assume a horse riding position on the assessment or the treatment couch, and we are going to examine their motions of the thoracic spine so that we know which direction we have to mobilize or treat. Just ask the patient to sit with both the legs on either side of the treatment couch and cross their arms, and then start assessing the motions of thoracic flexion, asking the patient to slouch forward, thoracic extension, followed by thoracic rotations on either side, and finally the side bending motions, and also ask them to take a deep breath and see the result that it has on the pain and limitation of functions. Now, after we have done this assessment, we have to note down which all directions were the offending directions, or what are the offending movements of the patient. Now, often we will find that it is either the flexion or the extension which is offending, and rotation to one of the side is more problematic, and same can be the thing with the side bending motion. Now, there are two ways to proceed from here. Either we can use a pure manual therapy where we use the hands to mobilize the spine, but in this video we are going to restrict ourselves to techniques where patient can self-treat the condition at home. So for this, again, we are going to use a thoracic belt, or if we don't have a belt at home, we can use a towel. Now, what we have to do is, let's say this is the area that we have found to be having painful. We will just keep our belt right above it, that is one level up, and we will hold the belt in our hands, and again we will give a traction to the belt in the upward direction, and we will start mobilizing in the offending motion. So it can be extension, 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets, flexion, same dosage, followed by rotations, side bending, and even we can maintain that traction and ask the patient to breathe deeply. If the mobilization is in the correct direction, you will see immediate improvement in patient's function. And believe me, such techniques and treatment strategies have helped hundreds of patients in our clinic. And I sincerely hope that if you utilize this technique, you will be able to produce similar results. So see you all in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.